Hi, today I'm going to share with you how to set up your LifeWave eWallet and how to withdraw your commission. This video is brought to you by Team Sinaran. Now, the moment you see a commission appearing in your back office, in about 2 weeks' time, LifeWave is going to send you an email to activate your eWallet. Now, you will be given your ID number, which is actually your brand partner's ID number. Now, this username is different from the username that you use to log in to your back office. This is your ID number. And you will be given a temporary password. Please keep this email because you will need this temporary password the next time you are prompted to change your password. Now, basically, there are two ways that you can log into your new eWallet. The first way is through this URL. It's livewave.globaleWallet.com. You can bookmark this onto your computer because you may require to use this very often. The second then here you have to key in your username, which is the ID number, and your temporary password. The second method is through your back office. Okay, you see that there is a pay portal button in blue color. This is the button. This will be the link to your eWallet. You can click on this button and it will, when you see this message coming to you soon, this means that your eWallet is not ready. The commission is not ready. It will take 2 weeks. Now it says, please continue to use your existing HyperWallet. This is the old eWallet that we used some time back, which is we have changed to this new eWallet about 5 months ago. But if you see log into i-Payout, this blue button here, it means that your eWallet is ready to be set up, and you can click onto this link and go to your eWallet directly. Now, this way you do not need to key in your ID number and your temporary password. Now, once you log on to your eWallet, this will be the first thing you see, a video. Please watch this very brief setup video. It is only about 4 minutes long. This will probably give you a brief idea on how to set up your eWallet. Now, first, you will be asked to complete your profile. Some of the information is already there. So what is missing, like for example, your cell phone number, you just key in all the missing information. Then, when you continue, you will see this. This is for company. If your account is set up under a company, then you need to key in, tick I agreed, and then fill in the company particulars. Step 2 is your income tax return number. This is for US citizen only. Then step 3 is the agreement. You have to take these 3 box here and agree. And step 4 here, you see a transaction PIN. You need to set up a 4 to 10 digit PIN. If you are forgetful, then you use a 4 digit will do. Don't worry, nobody can withdraw your money. Your money must be withdrawn by the same person as your LifeWave account. It cannot be transferred to a third-party account. Now then, when you come to the bottom part, you will have to answer 3 different questions. What is your first job? What is your mother's maiden name? What is your first concert that you have attended? But anyway, there are a list of questions. If you do not like this question, you can change it. Please copy it down, keep it somewhere safe. So because sometimes when you forget your password, then they will prompt you to answer one of these questions. Now, number 4 is you are required to upload your official document. Now, you can choose to upload your ID card, which is our IC, the front and back copy. You can also choose to upload your driving license. Make sure you take a screenshot or photo in JPEG, the front and back separately. Please do not upload in a PDF file. So then after you complete this step, you are done. Then all you need to do is to wait for an approval. They will send you an email in 1 or 2 days and saying that your eWallet account has been verified and you are able to fully access your eWallet. So you can log in back in two methods, either from the URL, the global eWallet URL, or from your back office. Once you go into your eWallet the first time, it will also prompt you to select your notification methods. Either you can select text messages or email or both. Then you tick I agree to the terms and condition and you type in your PIN. Remember the 4 to 10 digit PIN that you have set up earlier. Then you click update. Now, then it will also prompt you to change your password. So you please go back to your email earlier on whereby the temporary password is there, because you will need to put in your temporary password. Now, there is another option here called automatic transfer option. Automatic transfer option meaning to say that if you receive a commission, you can select it to be automatically transferred to the bank account that you have set up, which I will show you how you're going to set up your bank account later on. Now, if you are doing it for someone else, please take this option, because every time the commission comes in, it will redirect to their bank account. Okay? Now, and you need to, any changes make, it's the same. You need to key in your 4 to 10 digit PIN number and your eWallet is completely set up. Now, the next thing is your money. Once it's set up, it is zero. So you have to wait. Please be patient. It will take a few days for your money to be transferred to your eWallet. For all LifeWave commission, it will take 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, it will be automatically transferred here. Once you see the money here, you can use it. There are ways that you can use it. You can order a prepaid card. This is a prepaid card. In Malaysia, we call this a debit card. Now, it will cost you $9.95. If you would want to use the money in your eWallet to purchase LifeWave product in the future, please apply for this card. Now, this card has got no money. You need to manually transfer the money, or you can set automatic transfer. Every time the money goes here, it will be transferred into your debit card. Now, once the money is in your debit card, you can use the money inside to purchase your LifeWave product, just like you use any credit card for that matter. Now, so here the balance is zero, so you cannot do any transfer. You must wait until you have money, then only you can apply for your prepaid card. Now, I'm going to teach you how to set up your funds withdrawal, how to withdraw your commission. If you see money here, how are you going to withdraw? Now, we have got two methods. The request check is only meant for US. So we here in Malaysia or Singapore or any Asian country is either bank account or wire transfer. Now, Malaysia, Singapore, most of the Asian country here, they have got the bank account and the wire transfer. What is the difference? Bank account, every transfer, you will be charged only 3 USD. For wire transfer, so some countries, they do not have local bank transfer, so you have to use the wire transfer. It's US $12. Now, you may think that this is pretty high, but it is still lower than our previous Hyper wallet. The previous wallet that we use, every transfer is 20 USD, regardless of the amount. So for this case, for Malaysian and Singaporeans, so you choose local bank transfer, the bank account here. So what you do is you click here and you will have to key in your account nickname. This is only for your reference. Alright, then if you are in Malaysia, you tick Malaysia. If you're in Singapore, you tick Singapore, or whatever country that you are here. Then automatically the currency, it will change for you. You key in your shift code. and the sort code. By the way, a Malaysia bank do not require sort code, but for this case, if you do not key in the sort code number, you cannot continue. So you need. But then in the next slide, I will show you what are the sort code available. Make sure you key in your bank account number. So if you are using Maybank, this will be your Maybank Swift code. And then when you continue on the other side, on the right hand side, it will appear your Maybank. Then you just put your Maybank address. If it is, you don't need to put in the full address, by the way. If your branch is in SS2PJ, you just put SS2PJ. All right, and this is your name and your passport and IC number here, country, and then your address here. You key in your address. Then you click continue. Now, for the Swift code and the sort code, this is the list given by the anything that you do not know, you can actually click on the chat box and chat with them. This is what was given by me. But the Swift code address, there is a new one. The new one is at the back, at the ending here. You have to add in a triple X. Like Maybank MBB is MBB EMYKL triple X. All will end with extra tip. This is the new Swift code address. All right. Now on this sheet here, you don't see the triple X. Make sure you add in. And for the sort code, you just use this sort code here. For example, if you choose Hong Leong Bank Berhad here, okay, the Swift code is HLBBMYKL triple X, and the sort code will be 24000000. All right. So you can, while watching this video, what you can do is you can actually screenshot this for your reference. Now, once you have done that, then you will be prompted to upload your bank statement. All right. Now, I'm sure nowadays many of you, even me myself, do not have a paper statement. We have the digital one. If you have the digital one, you can screenshot and upload your bank statement. Now, what they want is your bank logo. It has to be shown. And then your name and your account number. They need to verify. You only need to upload once. Just like your ID, when you set up. For the bank account, you also need to upload this for once. Now, what about joint name? Can it be used? Yes, as long as the name, the owner of the LifeWave account and this bank, the name is there, whether it's your own or it's a joint account, it can be used. Now, after that, you will have to wait again. Once it's approved, you will receive, normally, this is not a confirmation, you receive a verification email. After that, after 1 or 2 days, you can log in. Normally, it will be approved. If it is not approved, if you send in the wrong one, like what I did initially, because I sent the wrong bank account, then it was rejected. So make sure it's the same name. Now, so for this purpose, I actually set up a bank account and also a wire transfer because I want to see the difference in whatever the exchange rate and the charges. All right. But for your case, you don't need the wire transfer because the wire transfer the fees are higher. Now, so once you see this bank account, an MBB bank account, you just select here. Every time you want to transfer your funds, you click this select button. Okay. If your country do not have this bank account, then you got no choice. You got to set up the wire transfer. Now, let's see the difference. I purposely do two to show you. The exchange rate are the same. For example, this case when I was doing is 4.29 exchange rate given by the Malaysian exchange rate. Now, this transfer fees is only $3, regardless of the amount you transfer. But for the wire transfer is 12. So why use the higher one? Might as well use the bank account. All right. So if you have money, you can transfer all the money. All you need to do is to set the amount that you need to transfer. Tick the 2 box here and put in your PIN and continue. Alright, now that's it. So remember to use the bank account. Now if you have got only one option, you will not appear 2, because I set up bank account and wire transfer for this purpose to show you, so that is 2. And if you set up 2, you cannot use the same bank account number. You need a different bank account. Alright. Now you see, if you have not set automatic transfer, it will show you. So if you don't want to the hassle of withdrawing every time you see a commission, you can click this. You can select this automatic transfer. So if you select this, you have to key in your PIN again and set the automatic transfer. So with this, thank you very much for listening. I hope that you do understand of how it's pretty straightforward. The only thing is you have to upload your ID or your driving license for the verification. And when you set your bank account, please make sure that your bank statement is ready. They only want to see the top portion. The amount of money you have, you can just delete it, or So with this, thank you very much for listening. For those people who wants to know, I will share this on YouTube, and you can share it with your brand partners. Thank you very much.